The flu has now killed 2 children in Wisconsin, the second death announced today by state officials. Across the state, more than 100 people were hospitalized for the flu today before noon. Stephanie Haynes shows us how you can still protect yourself.
Health workers are urging people to practice good hygiene as we hit another wave of the flu season and won't see it peak for weeks.
There are a couple different of the strains of the virus that come through, and so this seems to be the second one that's coming around.
Dr. Molly Cousin is a pediatrician and says she's seen more and more sick kids this week.
Fevers, sore throats, body aches.
The flu is hitting Wisconsin hard. State health officials say a second child has died from the virus.
We've seen an increase in hospitalizations with the 18 to 49-year-olds, which is markedly different than what we've seen in previous influenza seasons.
Already this week, there's at least 500 hospitalizations statewide, a significant increase from past weeks.
By noon today, over 100 cases have been reported to the Department of Health Services.
Officials say 40% of people living in Wisconsin got a flu shot this year, which is a record high.
But we have to look at it from the opposite way, too. If 40% are vaccinated, 60% are not vaccinated.
But for those who aren't vaccinated, officials have a stern message. It's never too late.
Even if you had, influenza B earlier, you still would be protected against influenza A, which is going around now if you get the flu shot.
In the meantime, health workers say wash your hands, cover your mouth, and stay home if you're sick.
You don't want to get immunized the hard way, and that's by getting the flu.
Stephanie Haynes, today's TMJ4.